From the ancient groves, where sunlight spills through towering branches, and the scent of resin lingers like an eternal hymn, Cedar emerges as a tree of majesty and magic. It has long been regarded as a sacred companion, a fiery guardian whose very essence carries the warmth of the sun and the strength of protection. To step into the presence of Cedar is to feel both embraced and awakened, as if its spirit were whispering secrets of healing, clarity, and resilience to those willing to listen. Cedar is a masculine tree aligned with the brilliant radiance of the sun and the transformative force of fire. Its energy burns brightly, dispersing shadows and calling forth light, making it a natural ally for purification and renewal. The smoke of cedar has been cherished for its power to cleanse spaces and spirits alike, dissolving heaviness and inviting peace. Among some American Indian traditions, cedar placed upon hot rocks in sweat baths purifies the body and soul while soothing ailments such as head colds. Beyond its healing presence, cedar stands as a vigilant protector. Hung within the home, it guards against lightning strikes and wandering negativity, its fiery energy forming a shield of resilience. A cedar stick carved into 3 prongs and placed upright in the earth near a dwelling was believed to keep evil at bay, a testament to its reputation as a steadfast guardian. Even in dreams, cedar watches over the sleeper, its smoke banishing troubling visions and fostering restful slumber. Cedar's gifts extend also into realms of money and prosperity. A simple piece carried in the wallet or purse invites abundance, while its fragrance infuses prosperity incenses with the warmth of the sun's golden touch. It has been known, too, to kindle the spark of love when added to sachets, and when burned, to awaken the inner sight, opening the way for psychic perception and deeper intuition. And so, as we leave behind the sacred grove of cedar, we carry with us the warmth of fire and the clarity of the sun. May its towering presence remind us always of our own inner strength, our ability to purify what no longer serves us, and the boundless abundance that flows when we walk in harmony with nature's wisdom.